How to set alarm volume on iPhone. Here's how to adjust the alarm volume on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringer and Alert section, you'll see a volume slider. Drag the slider to the right to make your alarm louder or to the left to make it quieter. As you move the slider, your iPhone will play a sample sound so you can hear the volume level. If you want the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to control this setting, turn on Change with Buttons. Now let's test the alarm. Open the clock on your iPhone. Create a new alarm and then go to the alarm. Tap on the plus icon on the top right, then tap on Save and set it for a minute or two ahead to make sure the volume is right for you. Then that's it. You've successfully changed the alarm volume on your iPhone and can make sure you never miss an important alarm. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.